Introduction and low economic development under the colonial power. Introduction. An economy of a country consolidates all production, distribution and financial activities of the people. On the eve of independence, India's economy was in an awful shape due to the presence of British rule. The Britishers generally made the policies and rules that favoured England's economy and rapidly develops his industrial sector. Low economic development under the colonial power. India had an independent economy before the advent of the British rule. The farming practice was the prime wellspring of livelihood in India. However, the nation's economy was reliant on various manufacturing activities. India was well known for its handicraft industries in the field of cotton and silk materials, metal and valuable stoneworks, and so on. These items were awesome notoriety globally due to the use of excellent quality raw materials. Britishers commanded almost 200 years over India. They framed economic policies and strategies that secured and promoted the monetary interests of their country than with the improvement of the Indian economy. They changed the economic policy of India and transformed our nation into a provider of raw materials and customer of finished British industrial products. Such monetary arrangements influenced Indian economy adversely and diminished the per capita income as well. Some social reformers and leaders were made to quantify such incomes, yielded clashing and conflicting results. Dadabhai Naoroji, V.K.R.V. Rao and R.C. Desai were some great people who estimate the national and per capita incomes amid the British rule and considered extremely critical.